Alright guys, welcome to the latest video, and in this one we're going to be solving this super simple question called Bon Appetit on Hackerrank. So just let's get right into it. So it says Anna and Brian are sharing a meal at a restaurant and they agree to split the bill equally. Brian wants to order something that Anna is allergic to though, and they agree that Anna won't pay for that item. Brian gets the check and calculates Anna's portion. You must determine if his calculations is correct. For example, assume the bill has the following prices: 246. Anna declines to eat item K, and the item K is equal to bill index 2, and as we know arrays are 0 indexed, which means they start from 0. So 2 would correspond to the third item, which costs 6. If Brian calculates the bill correctly, Anna will pay 2 plus 4 by 2 because they're splitting the bill. So she'll only considering the items that Anna ate, we'll just sum them up and divide them by 2. If the bill includes the cost of bill 2, he will calculate 6. In the second case, he should refund 3 to Anna. So let's get right into the sample input. So the first number that we're given, that is 4, it basically signifies how many elements are there in the bill, and then 1 signifies the index of the element that Anna declined to eat. So in this case, Anna declined to eat the first element at the first index, which is basically the second item and has the price of 10. So if we calculate the bill that way, we'll have to sum up 3, 2 and 9, which should be 14, and then we'll divide it by 2 because they're splitting the bill. So Anna has to pay 7, but then this number that we're given, it's the amount that Anna has paid. So she has paid 12. So Brian needs to refund to him an amount of 5 because Anna had to pay 7 but she paid 12. So Brian will refund to her 5. So let's get into implementing this. Before that, just another caveat, that if the amount that Anna has to pay is equal to the amount that she has paid, you just have to print out Bon Appetit. Alright, so now getting into the implementing this function, what we can simply do is, so first we need to figure out how much Anna has to pay. So total to pay is equal to sum of bill minus the amount of kth item in the bill. So what we are doing is we are just summing up all the items in the bill, and then we are just deducting the amount of the item that is in the kth index because that item Anna didn't eat, and we'll just divide it by 2 because Anna's portion is half of that. And I'll just do floor division to be careful. What floor division does is it truncates the decimal part in case we have some. Hopefully we won't. Alright, so what we need to check is if total underscore to underscore pay is equal to B. B is the amount that Anna has paid. Then we just have to print Bon Appetit because they don't have to do anything else, like she has paid the exact correct amount. Else we need to print B minus total underscore to underscore pay, because if you guys remember, we had to print how much Brian has to refund to her, and that is basically the amount she's paid minus the amount she needed to pay, because the amount she's paid will be equal or more than that. And if you had to be more careful about this, you could just use abs around this, so whichever number would be greater, you'll still get a positive answer. So let's try running this code, and as we expected, we get the right answer, and then we'll just submit it to test it out. But I hope you guys understood this question, and as you can see, all our test cases pass. I'll just explain it to you guys once more. So in this line, we're just trying to find out how much amount Anna has to pay, and then with a conditional we check if the amount that she has to pay is equal to the amount that she has paid. Then we print Bon Appetit. Else we will just print and tell how much amount Brian has to refund her, which is equal to what amount Anna has paid and minus what amount she had to pay. So I guess that's it for this question, guys. And if you guys enjoyed this, definitely let me know in the comments. You can also hit me up on Instagram or Twitter. I'll leave the links down below, and definitely hit subscribe for more such videos coming up. Thanks guys.